Good morning again. We are going to continue today about our lesson of freshwater habitats. And as we know before, the freshwater habitats are examples of river, lake, pond, streams, waterfall, etc. But these freshwater habitats can be polluted by man. Polluted means contaminated or making danger or destroyment. So, this destroyment or pollution made by man cause damage or cause harm for these freshwater inhabitants. And as we said before, by explaining these documents, so figure 1 shows some examples of water pollution made by man. As shown in the first photo, let me please explain photo by one by one. In this photo, I have dyed fish. In this one, I have dirty water. This one, not safe drinking water. It is not safe to drink it. And the fourth one, I have a farmer who is spraying pesticides to kill the insects which attack the plants. Now, so by reading this document, I have pollution caused by trash. Trash means, as we say, garbage or wastes that we throw in the air or in the water or in the air. Sewage or pesticides, which are the chemical substances added to the plants. What do these causes make? They make the water rich in germs and unfit or unsafe to drink, or even to swim in it, or for living animals and plants. They are not safe to use or drink them. But in figure 2, I can see the car exhausts, the smoke of cars and factories which are released during these movements. What can these gases do? They pollute the air, pollute the water, and as rain falls down, it carries the gases down to the lakes and rivers. So, when it rains carrying pollution or carrying unsafe gases which are released into the air or into the atmosphere, these gases dissolve in the rain and carries acid rain. When this acid rain reaches the plants or animals, it causes harm to these living things. It causes harm to these living things. So, look at sometimes this acid rain makes allergy or makes our skin itching. It means they itching our skin or make some red spots. For example, to continue our description, I have to list by referring to figure 1, not from our own, by referring to figure 1, please. As shown in figure 1 on page 64, I have to list or name the factors which pollute water. What can pollute water? You have to raise your hands in order to answer. Start, Mariam.
Okay. The water polluted from chemical sewage and
pesticides. Excellent, Mariam. So the factors that pollute water as shown in figure 1 were trash means waste or garbage, chemicals, sewage, and pesticides. Excellent student. Okay, Rama, now, what is the effect of these pollutants? What can these pollutants make?
Dirty water.
Excellent, dirty water. Is dirty water safe to be drinkable or unsafe?
What?
Is this water, which is polluted water and dirty water as you say, is it clear or safe to drink? Can we drink this dirty water?
No.
No, thanks Rama. So it is unsafe to be drinkable or in order to drink it. Excellent student. Let's write the answer now. Please. So the water, hurry up, start following me writing, teacher. The water. So the water becomes unfit for drinking, swimming and life of animals and the plants. Unfit, please, you can write its meaning. Unfit, it is unsafe to be drinkable. Unfit means unsafe. Unfit means unsafe to be drinkable. Now we have finished now figure 1. The second question is, by referring also to figure 2, back to figure 2. Please use the photo again of figure 2 on page 64. Indicate where are these gases released into. Where they are released in. So, Isam, where do these gases or where are these gases released into? Where do these gases go? Isam?
Miss, into the air.
Into the air, excellent student. So these gases are released into the air, or we can say also they are released into the atmosphere. So please write the answers. These gases are released into the atmosphere or into the air. Atmosphere means air. Please, you can write it between brackets. The meaning of atmosphere is air. Now, what is the fate of these gases after the rain falls? Hawra, can you?
Yes, it carries the gases down to the lakes and rivers.
Excellent, teacher. So, after the rain falls down, these gases are carried or can be combined with the raindrops and go down to the river and lakes. Excellent. Please let's write the answer. So the answer is gases combine with the raindrops and go down to the freshwater habitats. To the freshwater habitats, or we can say also to the lakes, ponds and rivers. To the freshwater habitats. Now, what do we call the rain which falls down and rich in polluting gases? What is the name of this gas or acid, the name of this rain? Zahra Tarraf?
Acid rain.
Excellent, teacher. So this rain is called acid rain. Please write in the space acid rain only. Now indicate the effect of this acid rain on fresh water. What can this acid rain make to the fresh water? What does it make to fresh water? Is it healthy to fresh water or unhealthy to fresh water? Abdul Qadir?
Unhealthy to fresh water.
Unhealthy. So, is it make pollution for health for this water or not? Excellent, Abudi. So it makes pollution for this fresh water. So it is unhealthy and makes the fresh water polluted. So please, let's write it pollutes fresh water. It pollutes fresh water. Pollutes means makes it unhealthy or unfit or even unsafe to use it or to drink it or even to swim in it. Look at the next question. It is so important, Muhammad Abi Haidar. Who is responsible for that pollution? Who makes this pollution?
The people. The people makes this pollution.
Excellent, Ali. So people makes this pollution by throwing, as you said, by throwing garbage, throwing trash, or even pollutes the water. So now, Hisham, what happens if we swim in polluted water? What happens?
We sick.
We get sick?
Yes.
Excellent, Hisham. So we get sick and we have germs on our bodies and make allergy. They make up itching a lot. Excellent, teacher. So we get germs and become sick. Excellent, students. Let's write the answer. So, thank you, Hisham. We get germs and become sick. Thanks a lot. For next time, you have to start solving alone an individual work, Mariam, about I complete and I conclude for freshwater habitats and pollution. Thank you.